Hello everyone. So I made a video, I believe 6 months ago, about converting videos to audios. So basically, I make videos every day. I try to make a video every day, and I believe I have been regular for, I think, for the past 3 years. And the only reason I am able to make a video every day, or at least I have a video that goes live every day, is because I use ffmpeg. I use tools to make my workflow quick, fast. So I don't have to worry about editing. I don't really edit my videos. I just make the videos. Like right now, I'm making a video and I'll straight away upload it. And I use these scripts to help me. And one such script which I did talk about earlier, but couple of people, in fact, more than a couple of people, they wanted to know um, and explain me how this works. Now, if I have to, let us say, create a podcast or extract only the audio from a video, it can of course be done using ffmpeg. And the way ffmpeg works is you have to specify the input, and you have to then based on the input, you can then do something with it, like you can convert it to a specific format. And when you're doing this conversion, you also have the option to specify, maybe if you want to encode it or change something, like maybe if you want to change the bit rate. There are so many things that you can do. And I try to also upload to my podcast. I do have a podcast where I try to post once in a while. And what I normally do whenever I'm making a video, and if that particular video is not really showing anything, if it is only me talking, and in some cases it is applicable that I just make a video, I upload it to YouTube, but at the same time I may also want to just quickly convert the video file to an audio file and upload it to my podcast. And I do it using this script. Now this script, as you can see here, is very simple. It is taking one input, which is the mp4 file. It is then using this option called -vn. It means that no video. And then for audio, we are not really doing any transcoding, encoding, I guess, to do a conversion. We are just simply copying the codec for audio, and that is it. And for the audio output file name, I try, whenever applicable, whenever I'm writing scripts, I try to avoid manual input as much as I can. Not always, but as much as I can. So for example, if I'm making a video, or if I have made a video where I have the file name of the video. For example, I just made a video right now. So what I'll do, I will try to extract the audio from that. So the only input I give to this particular shell script is the file name. So this is the video. So let me just select one of the video here. So 2-dimensional whatever. So this is basically the mp4 file. And what this tool will do, or not a tool, yeah, it is a tool, but this shell script will do, it will simply use this input and it will extract the audio, and it will basically create a file of name called so basically it will use the same file name, which is 2-dimensional filter statistics, I mean the name of the video, but it will basically create this file called m4a. And if you look at the script here, the script is actually doing all the work. What the script is doing, let me actually show you very quickly. So if you are, let us say there is a file name. I mean, I'll probably just show it to you. The main thing, or the most complicated thing in the script, is basically the extraction of the file name and replacing the last part, the .mp4 with .m4a. So let us say you have a file name here called file or video.mp4, right? So this is of course the file name. What we are doing here is we are using one utility called cut. So using this cut utility, you have to pass in the delimiter. so -d, and whatever is the delimiter will basically cut that particular string in two parts based on this delimiter, and then you have the option to select either you want the first part or the second part. So if you do here F0, you will get here, I think I did something wrong. Oh, okay. So if you do F1, you will get the first part, and if you do the F2, you will get the second part. So basically, this is of course a simple utility, and what the script is doing here is basically using this cut utility to get the file name, but only the video file name before the dot, and then instead of MP4, we are using here M4A, and that is the output. That is the output file name, and based on the output file name, this command will simply extract the audio. And this script is actually very quick. It usually takes a couple of seconds, and I did explain this in the last video, but I thought, I can explain it again, because if maybe I missed something last time, I hope I have covered it. And that is all I want to talk about today. And as you probably know that I try to show these simple things so that you can improve your workflow, you can save time, you can be more efficient, and tools like ffmpeg along with of course Emacs and org mode and these Linux based utilities can actually make your life a lot easier, simpler, and you don't have to rely on latest computers. I mean, my laptop I'm using this ThinkPad X20, which is, I believe, more than 10 years old, and it works perfectly. I mean, on this particular laptop, of course, I don't really run Docker. I mean, in fact, I also run Docker on this. It works fine. It is not super great, but it works. But I do most of 99% of my work, I do it on this particular machine. And imagine I've been doing it for so many years. And I don't have to rely on, of course, those expensive softwares, applications to do these simple things. So that is all. That is all I wanted to talk about today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and you learned something new. And by the way, I make a lot of videos, but if you are struggling with because I have a lot of content, a lot of videos on Linux, Emacs, or org mode, ffmpeg, and if you're not able to find the content on YouTube, I'll recommend. I just want to, of course, do some self-promotion. Go to my website, ravisagar.in. This is, of course, my attempt of organizing my content, and I try to organize my content in different ways. For example, if you're looking at this particular site, I have some courses. I mean, these courses are nothing but the content that I already have elsewhere. I just try to organize those things here. But at the same time, you can search. For example, if you search for ffmpeg, you will find, I think we are talking about extract audio, and I have covered this. So for example, if you click on this, you will find that, this is the video that I made, and I have also shared the command here. But I believe last time I didn't really show how to do it properly, but I'm doing it right now. So, take a look. So, of course, hopefully I've explained how this command works now. And the thing is that if you're on my website, if you click on this particular link, basically this is the taxonomy, this is the category, you will find everything related to ffmpeg. So if you want to, if you think you're struggling to find my content on YouTube channel, do go to my website, ravisagar.in. Again, thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.